Good evening to all, respected chief guest, correspondent, teachers and all my dear friends. Today the topic of my speech is my school. The name of my school is Hamidia Elementary School. My school is very beautiful place. The name of my school, it has big playground and many classrooms. All teachers are kind and helpful. I go to school every day on time. We learn many subjects like maths, English and science. We celebrate many programs and national festivals. I love my school because it has given me wonderful friends. My school is Temple of Knowledge where I learn lessons for life. Gives me confidence, discipline and bright future. I love my school and feel proud to be its student. Power of student, knowledge of education. Thank you.
Thank you.